Step 1. Remove contents of package and place the components on a flat work surface. Check to ensure you have everything prior to beginning assembly. If anything is missing or you have any questions, please watch our video on amleo.com, search AGS2, or contact us at 1-800-543-8955. Step 2. Rotate the left and right steering arms so that the front wheel spindles extend outward from frame. Step 3. Place the steering link bar over the steering spindle arms and align holes. Secure each end with solid shank bolts, placing the larger washer between the link bar and steering spindle arm. Secure with smaller washer and nylon nut. Over-tightening will cause steering to be stiff. Step 4. Place steering arm under welded frame section and over the steering link, aligning the holes. Secure from top with bolts, being sure to place larger washer between metal parts, then secure with smaller washer and nylon nuts. Tighten with wrench or socket. Over-tightening will cause the steering to be stiff. Step 5. Slide rear axle through the frame and space evenly. Slip an axle spacer over each end of the axle, then add the wheels, remembering to face the offset wheel hubs towards the frame. Then add axle washers and cotter pins. Use pliers to bend over cotter pins to secure. Install front wheels using the same method. Step 6. Align plastic tray holes with frame holes and tray support bars. Secure using bolts, washers, and nuts. Tighten securely. Step 7. Slip end of handle into the steering arm and secure with bolt, washer, and nut. Tighten securely. Step 8. Fasten seat post to tractor-style seat and secure using Phillips countersunk bolts, washers, and nylon nuts. Tighten securely. Align threads of the seat post into the frame and turn clockwise to lower the seat. Secure in place with supplied cotter pin, then bend over the pin ends with pliers to prevent seat from coming out of the frame. Step 9. No tools are required to attach the wire basket. Simply slip the basket bracket through the frame diagonally, rotate, then push bracket down into the frame. Your AGS2 is now assembled and ready to use.